I think we have a good team.
We are a great team, yes. Because we have different parcels. I cook the paella, she cook inside or at home. We don't step the other work.
No. And then are we? No.
We don't class, yes. So we are a great team, I think. I'm Ed, I'm from Spain. This is our food truck. I'm working here with my wife, Rosa.
Hi, my name is Rosa. I'm from Spain as well, and we arrived here to cook Spanish food.
We come here because I was working as a basketball coach in Spain and sent my CV here and they hired me. And after COVID situation, all the lockdown, we start thinking to start this business food because Rosa has a lot of experience.
Yes, because when we arrived here, all the people asked us, where do you come from? I'm from Spain. Oh, paella. Oh, I love paella. I love Spain. And we start for that reason, because we have experience in Spain. I think we are a team because he's not just basketball coach, he's dietitian. And I was working as a chef in Spain for 25 years. He designed the menu and I cook.
We try to adapt the Spanish recipes to the Irish palate. We offer food in the neighborhood and then pass a survey about the flavors or what we change. And as a dietitian, I change the recipe to make all the foods healthy and good for everything.
Yes, we have different Spanish dishes as well, like bravas, churros is very popular, croquetas, but Spanish way. The authentic croquette from Spain is made with bechamel, and for us have more flavor.
And now, little by little, we are getting more orders for catering and for private parties. We really enjoy this because that means that they want our food.
We cook everything from healthy foods or more tasty or more fat.